Now I am going to show you what is the importance of good returns app. So let's enter the app and I am showing what is it and what are the benefits of this app. So this is the app and I am going to it. So this is the home page of the app. In this case, all icons are found like home, news, personal finance, classroom, MSME, jewelers, credit card, mutual funds, Aadhaar, PAN card, PIN code, stocks, company, banking, bank holidays, IFSC code of different banks, currency, gold rate, platinum price, silver rate, petrol price, diesel price, LPG price, fuel price, CNG price, auto gas price, saving scheme, CSC locator. CSC means common service centers, calculators, and at last video. So it is a only single app in which all are found. Also in bottom parts, Nifty, Sensex, gold rates of the updated format are found. So now I am going to show you IFSC code, sorry, bank holiday, which is the first important factors, because every day we are going to bank, and when the bank became closed, we came back our home or houses in empty hands. So first I am going to discuss bank holiday. So for bank holiday I click on it. So here the page is open and first the year is shown. I select the year 2021. Again select state, so I choose Odisha because Odisha is my states and I am from Odisha. So Odisha, where is Odisha? Odisha, this is Odisha. And again select month. Month means current month is July. So I choose July. Dear friends, please mark. This is the month of July 2021. So in this case, the highlighted red marks are holidays. So 10, 12, 20, 21 and 24 are the holiday of this month. In July, please mark in the below part, the details are found. Why July 10 is red mark? July 10 is Saturday and this is holiday for second Saturday, which is the bank holiday. Next July 12, which is held in Monday, and this is for Rath Yatra or Sri Gundicha. And July 20, which is held on Tuesday, and this is for Muslim or Islam festival Bakrid or Eid al-Adha. Similarly, July 21, which held on Wednesday, and this is also Bakrid Eid al-Adha. July 24, which held on Saturday, and this is fourth Saturday, which is a bank holiday. So we can check the holiday of a bank by these methods. Similarly, here petrol diesel rates are also found. The price of petrol is 107.83 per 1 liters, and the price of diesel is 97.45 per 1 liters. And also the price of, or the rate of dollar, is 74.439, and Sensex, Nifty, and difference are found in this page. Also gold rates are also found, gold, silver, etc. are found. So we can use this app in our day-to-day life. So use this app.